Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This is a set of blue jelly nails with some cherubs. This look was inspired by Femi Beauty, who is also on YouTube, so if you're not following her channel, please do. I've been following her for quite a long time. And also inspired by She. They are a press-on nail brand, and they produced a set similar to this. So yeah, I'm just sticking on some tips to my client. These are a tapered square tip or ballerina tip. They've got a deep C curve, which is what I really like about these. So I'm just putting them on, and then I've cut them down to size, and I've done my dehydrator and primer off camera, and skipped straight into application. I also put down a thin clear layer first as well. So to create this sort of like jelly blue, I'd actually mixed electric from Diamond Nail Supplies with a bit of their clarity. I can't remember how much I actually mixed together, but I just did what I thought was best. I didn't want it to be too what do you call it? Not opaque. I wanted it to be opaque. But yes, I'm doing that, applying that thin, and then after I've done that, I'll be coming in with some stickers that I just got from AliExpress. Even though they were stickers, I did find that I had to put down a little bit of like wet acrylic just to make them stick, because they really didn't want to stick to the acrylic. Once all the stickers are stuck on, I'm putting in some gold metal nail alloys. I think I also ordered these from AliExpress as well. They're just little small moon and star shapes, and then I'm also coming in with the gel bottle Cleopatra just to add some little flecks of gold in there. And now I'm just encapsulating the nails with my clarity. I do like to encapsulate designs like this because I just find that it helps keep the shape nice and crisp and less bulky. Some gel polish designs are okay, and you know, if you work thin enough, they turn out alright, but I do find that sometimes if you're using a lot of gel polish, it can really dull your shape, which isn't so bad if maybe you're doing like an almond or a round shape or something, but if you're doing a shape where you want crisp edges, I just find that gel polish can sometimes dull that sharpness a bit. So I'm just starting my usual filing routine now and tidying up the sidewalls and free edge. I'm also using my e-file to debulk the nails a little bit, and then I'm going to come back in with my hand file and do what I usually do, go down the body of the nail first and then around the cuticle, and then make sure that everything's blended in nicely together, including the apex. just whipping it over with a buffer now to just take out some of those scratches from my hand file. And then just dusting off the nails with a bit of sanitizer spray and a brush before adding my top coat. This is Diamond Nail Supply's tack-free top shine. And she'll go into the lamp for 60 seconds. And then after that I'm going to come in and pierce the nails, which I've edited some of it so it might look a bit funny, but it was just long clips of me trying to get these hoops in the nails because they were so fiddly, but we got there in the end and they looked really cool. So here's that piercing tool. You know, I found it really hard to get one of these from like a UK website. I had to order this from AliExpress and it took ages to come. But yeah, you can get them on eBay for literally like a couple of quid. The hoop piercings that I'm using are actually from a Swarovski, I think they're called the Special Treasures crystal packs. They do like a danglies ones, but I've only seen them with these clear Swarovski teardrop shaped dangles, which we did try on, but I edited that out because my client preferred them just plain. So yeah, she wanted 2 on each nail. On the other hand, we did her pinky finger, but for the sake of keeping the video short, I only recorded her right hand. But yeah, so once that's done, I've applied a cuticle oil, and then I've left you a little clip of the finished design at the end. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and share it, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Bye!